Were you aware that chronic kidney disease is estimated to impact over 37 million Americans? Whether you're experiencing kidney issues already or are keen on safeguarding your kidney health, this video is tailored for you. Your dietary choices can either harm or promote the healing of your kidneys. Thus, let's delve into 6 foods that can significantly contribute to kidney healing. Let's begin. 1. Garlic. Chronic inflammation has the potential to initiate or exacerbate symptoms of chronic kidney disease. Fortunately, garlic exhibits potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to its bioactive compound known as allicin. Its anti-inflammatory effects may aid in reducing inflammation within the kidneys, facilitating their healing process, while its antioxidant properties can help thwart further oxidative damage, a common instigator of kidney disease. Additionally, high blood pressure is another prevalent cause of kidney disease, and garlic has demonstrated the ability to moderately lower blood pressure. According to a 2020 study, garlic shows moderate efficacy in reducing blood pressure, resulting in an average decrease of 8 units in systolic blood pressure and 4 units in diastolic blood pressure. Furthermore, garlic possesses natural antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, potentially aiding in the prevention or management of urinary tract infections, UTIs. In fact, a 2015 study noted the effectiveness of garlic extract in reducing UTI risk by approximately 73.8%. Consuming 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic daily, or approximately 4 grams of dried garlic powder, is generally considered safe. It's advisable to commence with a small quantity and gradually increase intake if well tolerated by your body. Cooking garlic can help diminish its potency, and it's recommended to avoid consuming excessive amounts of garlic on an empty stomach. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which may potentially alleviate inflammation and mitigate kidney damage. Moreover, flax seeds have been shown to aid in reducing blood pressure, promoting smooth blood flow, thereby supporting optimal kidney health. Some research suggests that flax seeds may also decrease proteinuria, a marker of kidney damage. In a 2012 study, patients with chronic kidney disease experienced a 25% reduction in proteinuria after consuming flax seeds daily for just 12 weeks. If you're new to incorporating flax seeds into your diet, it's advisable to start with a conservative amount, such as 1 teaspoon, and monitor for any adverse effects. Gradually increase the intake by 1 teaspoon at a time if no side effects occur, aiming to reach a daily consumption of 1 to 2 tablespoons. This gradual approach helps assess tolerance and allows for a safe adjustment to the dietary regimen. 3. Onion. Onions are notably abundant in quercetin and other flavonoids, compounds renowned for their antioxidant properties, which may aid in diminishing inflammation and shielding kidney cells from harm. Additionally, onions contain trace amounts of allicin, which could contribute to lowering blood pressure, a significant risk factor for chronic kidney disease. In one study, individuals with CKD experienced a substantial reduction of 10 to 15 units in blood pressure after supplementing with allicin. For most healthy adults, consuming approximately half a medium-sized onion, equivalent to about 110 grams, is generally safe. However, it's worth noting that raw onions possess stronger flavor profiles compared to cooked ones. Therefore, a serving of 100 grams of raw onion is typically deemed safe for most individuals. Nonetheless, it's essential to exercise moderation as onions contain moderate levels of potassium, approximately 160 milligrams per medium-sized onion. This caution is particularly crucial for individuals with chronic kidney disease, stomach ulcers, or other underlying health conditions, as excessive potassium intake may pose risks. 4. Beetroot. Beets boast a significant concentration of dietary nitrates, which undergo conversion into nitric oxide within the body. Nitric oxide acts as a natural vasodilator, promoting the relaxation and dilation of blood vessels, potentially leading to a decrease in blood pressure. A study conducted in 2013 observed an average reduction of 4 units in systolic blood pressure among adults just 2.5 hours after consuming beetroot juice. Similarly, a study in 2014 noted a maximum reduction of 8 units in systolic pressure within 3 hours, gradually returning to baseline levels by 24 hours. Consistent consumption of beetroot juice may help maintain blood pressure within a healthy range, indirectly benefiting kidney function by alleviating stress exerted on delicate organs like the kidneys. For most individuals, up to 8.4 ounces or 250 milliliters of beetroot juice, or half a cup of cooked solid beetroot, is considered safe. Beets also serve as a good source of potassium, crucial for overall health. However, caution is advised for those with chronic kidney disease, especially if monitoring potassium intake is necessary. A mere glass of 250 milliliters of beetroot juice contains approximately 700 to 800 milligrams of potassium, warranting careful consideration for individuals with specific dietary restrictions. Moreover, beets contain oxalates, approximately 500 to 800 milligrams per glass of beet juice, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. It's imperative to consult with a healthcare professional to determine safe intake levels, especially if there's a history of kidney stones or underlying kidney conditions. 5. Bitter melon. In a study conducted in 2012, bitter melon extract demonstrated a significant reduction of 34% in urinary oxalate excretion among 60 patients over a span of 4 months. This reduction signifies a notable decrease in the risk of developing calcium oxalate stones, the most prevalent type of kidney stones. Bitter melon is endowed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which contribute to its ability to safeguard the kidneys from potential damage induced by certain medications or toxins. Research indicates that bitter melon extract can mitigate kidney damage caused by methotrexate, a chemotherapy drug. The generally recommended safe intake of bitter melon is approximately half a cup of cooked or raw flesh. For those considering bitter melon juice, it's advisable to commence with small quantities, such as a quarter cup, and assess its tolerability by your body. It's essential to note that bitter melon may interact with specific medications, such as blood thinners and diabetes medications. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are also advised to avoid bitter melon consumption. Consulting with a healthcare professional before incorporating bitter melon into your regular diet is paramount, particularly if you have existing underlying health conditions. 6. Carrots. Carrots boast a wealth of antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, which play a role in shielding kidney cells from potential damage. Additionally, carrots are abundant in fiber, promoting gut health. A balanced gut microbiome aids in the efficient breakdown of toxins and waste materials that might otherwise harm the kidneys. Certain gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which have the potential to alleviate inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Therefore, if you're seeking foods to support kidney healing, carrots could be a beneficial choice. However, it's important to note that a medium carrot contains approximately 195 milligrams of potassium, so individuals monitoring their potassium intake should exercise caution. Furthermore, it's crucial to understand that while the foods mentioned in this video may offer benefits for kidney health, they should not be viewed as sole treatments for kidney problems. If you have any concerns regarding your kidney health, it's essential to consult with your doctor. Additionally, individuals with kidney disease or other existing conditions should seek advice from their healthcare provider before incorporating these foods into their regular diet. Here are a few extra pointers to aid in preserving your kidney health. 1. Restrict intake of processed foods, as they tend to be rich in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. Choose fresh, whole foods whenever feasible. Always scrutinize food labels, paying close attention to the levels of sodium, phosphorus, potassium, or any other nutrients requiring careful monitoring. 2. Prepare your meals at home to exercise greater control over the ingredients used in your dishes. 3. Reduce consumption of sugary beverages, especially sodas, energy drinks, and fruit juices with added sugar, as they can contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, and insulin resistance, key risk factors for kidney disease. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.